I have noticed that in many tutorials, people transfer constraints from one side to another using a bit much longer process. So they usually select the target bone, select the source bone, then go to constraints, go here, copy to selected, and there is one problem. It doesn't symmetrize the target bone. So if this refers to right bone, this also refers to the right bone. So we need to select here the left bone, but it is not the most difficult part. The most difficult part is when we deal with constraints like limit rotation or limit location or transformation constraint. We need to deal with a lot of values, and these values also should be considered according to symmetry. And just for example, in my case, Z rotation is limited to -35 because I want to rise hand for this rotation, but our clavicle usually doesn't go down pretty much, so that's why max rotation is set to +10. If I will just copy constraint from here, it will not work as expected. It will go down more than expected, while it will not go up as expected as well. So in this case, we need to invert Y rotation values and Z rotation values. But if the values are symmetrical, like -5 and +5, it doesn't matter. But if the values are different, we need to consider symmetry, and we need to invert these values. And the easiest way to symmetrize constraints is just to go to edit mode, right click and click symmetrize. And in this way, all constraints will be symmetrized and all values will consider the symmetry. And in this case, when I rise hand, it rises in the same way as the right part. And when I move it down, it is also symmetrical. The only disadvantage of this approach is that it symmetrizes the rest pose as well. And in most cases, actually, it's perfectly fine. For almost all my characters, I have symmetrical rig. But sometimes you don't need to symmetrize the rest pose. Sometimes you want to keep the original rest position with slight asymmetry. So that's why recently in my symmetry add-on called OmniMirror, I've added a feature to symmetrize constraints without symmetrizing the rest pose. So it just copies constraints and ensures all values are symmetrized as expected. So it is like select one bone and symmetrize from selected. So it symmetrizes everything and it ensures that all rotations work as expected without symmetrizing the rest position. So I'm testing this feature right now because there are plenty of constraints and some of the constraints should be processed differently. I have reviewed the transformation constraints and right now all of them works fine, but I still need to review the remaining constraints and fix all issues which happens with these constraints when we copy them from one side to another. But again, for 90% of cases, I think it's perfectly fine to just symmetrize in edit mode, and it will copy all constraints from one side to another without any additional add-on, without any additional actions, and it will ensure that all values are also symmetrized to get the same result at the end. So thank you for watching. See you next time.